Hello there. So you want to know how you want to go ahead and optimize OBS Studio for low-end PC. This is the only video you'll ever need to watch. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, you've made the right decision by choosing OBS Studio and not Streamlabs, because OBS Studio takes the least amount of resources to give as efficient result as possible. Now all you need to do is go ahead into your settings, and once you're on your settings, click on output, and on your stream settings, now I want you to go ahead and take care of a couple of things. So first things first, on your video encoder, you can either use X264 or NVIDIA NVENC. So what I want you to do is, if you have a good processor and a bad GPU, or if you don't even have a GPU, X.264 is going to be good for you. However, if you have a good GPU or a decent GPU and a bad processor, go ahead and use NVENC H.264. So I'm going to use X264 as it's going to be the best for the least optimized PCs. For rate control, CBR should be fine, and on bitrate, 6000 kbps should be fine for you. However, if this is still a big problem for you, go ahead as low as 4500. Not lower than 4500 should be fine for you. And on your CPU usage preset, you can keep it at faster and it should be fine. Just click on apply, and now you're ready to go ahead and stream. And also in your video settings, I want you to go ahead and stream in 1280 by 720 rather than 1920 by 1080 or even 4K, and stream on 25 PAL or even 24 NTSC if you want to. I prefer 30 FPS for a lower requirement PC. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.